A popular disc jockey was shot and killed at a party in Little London, Westmoreland on Wednesday night. He has been identified as 37-year-old Davroy Barnes, otherwise called DJ Myrie, of Mango Hall in the parish. Reports from the police said that Barnes was sitting in his motor car at a party when a vehicle drove up and a man alighted from his vehicle. The man reportedly began to rob patrons and then opened fire before making his escape. When the shooting subsided, Barnes was reportedly found suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds. The police were summoned and Barnes was taken to hospital where he died while undergoing treatment. Investigations are ongoing. A Westmoreland taxi operator was shot and killed and robbed of his vehicle in Burn Savannah in the parish on Wednesday evening. He has been identified as 35-year-old Romy Taylor of a Burn Savannah Frome address. Reports from the police said that about 6:30 p.m. Taylor was standing at a car wash when a motorbike with two men aboard drove up. The pillion reportedly disembarked the motorbike, then brandished a firearm before opening gunfire, hitting Taylor to the right side of his head and his upper and lower back. The pillion, who was reportedly also the shooter, then drove away, a grey 2011 Toyota Vauxhall motor car operated by Taylor, while the other man drove away on the motorbike. A 17-year-old boy was fatally stabbed while he reportedly resisted an attempt to steal his motorcycle along Lewis Street in Westmoreland on Wednesday morning. The deceased is Anthony James of Dexter Street in Savannah Mar. Reports are that about 12:10 a.m. James was standing along the roadway when he was pounced upon by hoodlum who attempted to steal his motorcycle. James reportedly resisted and was attacked and stabbed several times with a knife by the assailant, who then fled the scene. The police were summoned and James was taken to hospital where he died while undergoing treatment. A manhunt has been launched for the attacker by the Westmoreland police.